Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 50 is fishing terms. Fishing rod. A long pole made of wood, plastic with a line attached to it and a hook at the end of the line, used for catching fish. Fishing reel. A fishing reel is a device attached to a fishing rod used in winding and unwinding fishing line. Fishing line. Strong plastic string used with a fishing rod to catch fish. Fish hook. A hook is a curved piece of metal with a barb, a sharp point that curves backwards at one end, used for catching fish. Lure. A lure is an object used to attract fish or wild animals in order to catch them. Fishing net. A large net used on fishing boats for catching fish. A net attached to a long stick used for catching fish. Tackle box. A tackle box is a container used to store fishing equipment such as lures, hooks, and lines. Bait. A small amount of food on a hook, curved piece of wire, or in a special device used to attract and catch a fish or animal. Float fishing. A light object that floats on the surface of the water and is used to keep a fishing net or the bait on a fishing line in a particular position. Fly fishing. The activity trying to catch fish using a hook made to look like a fly or other insect in order to attract the fish. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.